In this video, we drift around the central Solent, end up in Portsmouth, and then enjoy an excellent sail back to our home berth. Bit of a contrast from yesterday. This is light winds and greyness. It's warm though, so we're not complaining. Well, not much, maybe a little. Perhaps we are complaining, in fact. It hasn't rained yet. That's a good thing. Alleviate the dismal greyness with a cuppa and potentially a snack. We left Bembridge this morning hoping for some wind, but the forecast was for light breezes varying in direction. We drifted down the tide, aiming for an anchorage for lunch, and eventually dropped the hook on the Peel bank. Now, nothing rouses morale like the smell of baking bread drifting up from the companionway. It's not all sausage butties aboard Confidence. In the afternoon, the wind backed to the southwest and we sailed across the Swash for Portsmouth harbour. So here we are in a rather grey Haslam Marina, and we're off on our final day back to Northney today. Yes, there is. this back in a little now.